This Modbus ROTU IO model is from CDByte official store on AliExpress. The model number is MA01-AACX2240. MA01 shows that the model supports RS485 communication. This first number 2 means that it has 2 digital inputs. The second number 2 means it has 2 analog inputs. And then the 4 is the number of digital outputs. We can power the model with any DC voltage source from 8 to 28 volts through these terminals. It only draws about 50 milliamp operating current at 12 volts with a green LED power indicator. It uses the Modbus ROTU protocol over RS485 to exchange data with the configuration software, PLCs, HMIs, and SCADA systems. The RS485 connections are GND, A/TX, and B/RX. It is shipped with a default baud rate of 9600, but can be configured with any baud rate from 1200 to 115200. These die switches are used to set the Modbus address from 1 to 31. Using the configuration software, the address can be extended to 247. The factory default address is 32. AI1 and AI2 are 0 to 20 milliamps or 4 to 20 milliamps analog inputs with 12-bit resolution. DI1 and DI2 are dry node rising edge digital inputs. Their logic states are indicated by green LEDs. DO1 to DO4 are relay outputs that can be connected as normally open or normally closed contacts. The load capacity is 10 amps at 30 volts DC or at 250 volts AC. Their logic states are indicated by these red LEDs. Its dimension is 80 by 50 by 30 millimeters and weighs about 80 grams. Installation is with screws on these holes or on DIN rail. When in service, it can withstand temperature of -40 to 80 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 5 to 75%. We can verify the functionality of the model with the eByte IO model configuration tool, which can be downloaded with the link in the description. These industrial USB to RS485 converter A and B terminals are connected to A/TX and B/RX terminals of the model and plugged to the computer USB port. Extract and open the configuration tool. Select English. Choose the serial port number that has the converter model. We will maintain the other settings and click on Open Serial. Click the search button to search for connected devices. Observe that the log window on the right is being updated with communication data. When the connected device is found, it will be shown on the device window with its address. Click on the Stop button and then the device to establish connection. When auto refresh is checked, the log window is updated based on this set cycle, which is 1 second in this case. Now let's try out the digital inputs. I am connecting a jumper wire to the COM terminal. When I touch DI0 with the other end of the wire, observe that its green indicator on the model comes on, and the red indicator on the configuration tool is also on. Same thing happens for DI2. When I turn on DO1 from the configuration tool, its red LED is turned on. The same thing happens for DO2, DO3, and DO4. Next is to connect a 4 to 20 milliamps current source to AI1. When I set it to 25%, the associated indicator on the tool shows approximately 8 milliamps. 50% on the current source gives approximately 12 milliamps. 75% gives about 16 milliamps. And 100% is about 20 milliamps. AI2 gives about the same result. The Modbus addresses for hooking up the model to a PLC or HMI are in the product manual. What do you think you can do with this model? Let me know in the comment section. See you again soon.